There is some question regarding Hazur. How could you or did you notice or found out that you have been put by Allah as Khalifa?
The system of election of a Caliph is through a school of electoral college, or through an electoral college. The fact is that in Jamaat Ahmediyya, as long as a Khalifa lives, that electoral college, which has been previously made, goes to sleep and has nothing to do, so that the electoral college does not interfere with the Khalifa's works and Khalifa's orders. He is under Khalifa, every one of them, the electoral college members, is under Khalifa, and they follow his orders. But the moment a Caliph dies, the electoral college comes to life, and then the electoral college elects a new Khalifa. The same happened in my case. When my previous Caliph died, the electoral college got together in Masjid Mubarak, Rabwa, and they elected the new Caliph. And out of all the members, a very great majority was in my favor. Now it is not permitted to give speeches of high praises of the person who is proposed by somebody. Only he has to stand up and name a person, and someone else should stand up and second him. So in my case also this was done, and after the election votes were counted, the majority, a very large majority, went in my favor. So I was elected the Caliph. So it's not a question of my believing that I am a Caliph. There is no question of my just personal interest or personal beliefs in my own greatness. Na'uz billah min zalik. I am a very humble person of God. But when they elected me, then I took the responsibility of the Caliph. That is the Caliph of Jamaat Ahmediyya of the whole world.
I think the question I wanted to know whether you were thinking before to become Khalifa like this.
No, never. I could never think. It is extremely stupid to think that somebody should be Caliph, because it's a great burden, unbelievably great burden. And only it will be a fool who would offer himself to be a Caliph.
Hazur von der Caliph hat erklärt,